how to hide any WhatsApp chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide any WhatsApp chats. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, there are basically two methods to hide your chats on WhatsApp. So the first one is to archive the chat. So here, to archive the chat, what you can do is simply long press on any chat, and after that, you can simply tap on the archive option or icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, the folder or that particular chat will be archived. But the downside is anyone can just tap on the archived folder at the top and see those messages, so it's not very secure. And with that, we will moving forward to the method 2, that is to lock chat. So the better and more secure option is simply to lock the chat. And to do that, simply long press on the chat that you want to lock, and after that, you can simply tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now, here from the drop down menu, you simply have to tap on lock chat. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue, and there you can use the Face ID, fingerprint, or the password to lock it. Now, here, if you close WhatsApp and open it again, you will notice the lock chat section at the top. So, here, if you tap on it, you won't be able to see the chat that are in this lock chat folders unless you put in password. So, here, you simply have to put in password to unlock it and see the chat. But here, if you want to even hide the log chats, then there is very simple method to do it. So here to do that, simply tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on chat log settings. And after that, you'll be prompted to the interface like this. So here you can simply toggle on this option that says hide log chats, and there you can also create a secret code for your hidden log chats by simply tapping on create secret code, and there you can enter or create your secret code. So here for this video, I'll be putting the code like 1111, and after that you can simply tap on next, and there you can confirm your secret code again, and after that you can simply tap on done. And now here, once you're done with it, if you close the WhatsApp app and open it again, then you will notice that the log chat section have been disappeared from the main menu. So here to reveal them, you simply have to tap on the search bar and simply type the secret code to unlock the log chats. And that's it. That's how you can hide any WhatsApp chats. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.